Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from your Acorns account. First, understand that the process is straightforward, but varies slightly depending on your account type. We'll cover the general steps applicable to most investment accounts, ensuring you know what to expect from start to finish. This guide will help you confidently access your funds. To start, open your Acorns app and tap on the specific investment account from which you wish to withdraw. Look for the Withdraw button, usually found within the account details. You'll then be prompted to enter the amount you want to take out and confirm the linked bank account where the money should be sent. It's a simple, guided process. When you initiate a withdrawal, it typically takes 3 to 6 business days for the funds to fully process and appear in your linked bank account. If you're selling investments, this timeline might extend slightly as the sales need to settle first. Rest assured, Acorns generally does not charge direct fees for standard withdrawals, making the process transparent. Before withdrawing, always double-check that your linked bank account is up to date and verified to avoid delays. Remember that withdrawing from investment accounts can have tax implications, especially if you've realized gains. It's often wise to consult a tax professional. Also, consider leaving a portion of your funds invested to continue benefiting from market growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.